So we need to simplify, and since this problem has more than one operation in it, we have to make sure that we follow the order of operations. So let's look and see what we have. We've got an exponent here, we've got an addition, and then remember, when you have a number that's right up next to a set of parentheses like this and nothing's in between, it means multiply. So order of operations, first thing we need to do is we start with our grouping symbols. So we do have a set of parentheses here, but there's nothing to do inside, so that's done. Next one to do are the exponents. So we've got a set of exponents here. Let's go ahead and work this out on the side. So 3.5 times 3.5. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 2 is 17. 3 times 5 is 15. And 9 and 10. You can work these out on your calculator to help you with the arithmetic part of it, but it's a good idea that you know how to multiply and work them out by hand so you don't have to rely on your calculator. So we moved our decimal point over 2 places and we get 12.25. Okay, and then we haven't done anything else, so everything that we had before other than that exponent we're just going to rewrite down below. Okay, so we're done with the exponent. Next is multiply or divide. Those come together. We just have a multiplication here to do. So that will be next, and we'll go ahead and work that out also. We're doing 1.95, put my decimal in there, times 8.7. Now there is a negative sign in there. We know the rules for multiplying negatives. They don't change with decimals, and so when we multiply and the signs are different, you know your answer will be negative. So we know we're getting a negative answer there, and we'll keep multiplying over here. I'm assuming that the multiplying part is okay. It's just this order of operations is usually where the mistakes get made. So 8 times 9 is 72, plus 4 is 76. And 8 and 7 is 15. There we go. And 1, 2, 3 decimal places puts our decimal point right there. So 8.7 times negative 1.95 is negative 16.965. And we're adding that to 12.25. So we've got our multiplying and dividing done. The last thing is adding and subtracting. So we just have this addition problem left to do. Now when we're adding and the signs are different, as these are, then we need to take the sign of the bigger one, which will be that 16, so we know our answer will be negative, but we subtract the numbers. Larger one minus the smaller one. So down here we'll go ahead and subtract 16.965 minus, when you're subtracting decimals, you have to line up those decimal points. And we'll add zeros so we have the same number of decimal places, and then we're subtracting. So we go through here, and we get negative 4.715.